Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna take you on our excited trip to the east part of Bali. We will conduct charity and CSR activities in one of the residences located in the east part of the island. Our journey will take you about around 3 hours via the 12 routes and bypass Ida Bagus Mantra. Despite the journey is quite far, but we will be able to enjoy the natural scenery and see the unique Balinese life along the way. Yesterday, cheers us to the east part of Bali, the Karangasem region, and now we continue the next one. I'll check it out. Continue the way through one of the Balinese house, real in the jungle here in the west, in the east part of Bali. So you can see that we go through the jungle. We see the traditional houses, and we look into it. What is the traditional people doing every day? Oh, that's great. We see the pig here, and it's look beautiful here with the lots of great forests, fertile forests, and tropical trees around, and the atmospheres are very fresh. It's good enough, and this is the best thing we have to do that when we do a lot of the business in the bustling city. And one day we must go around and visit our people here and help them with what we have. We got the target here, one of the target our charity today. We found one young lady lying down on the bed because of the got serious sick here since she was studying in elementary school, and until now she cannot do anything, just lying down, and got the plate food from her mother and her father. They are very poor, staying in these rooms, and we must help them. So I think that the best way, you have to come here and have a look and see them and get help.
Okay, this is my first time to come here. This is my first experience here to following the charity. So I hope we can help their lives be better. Okay.
If you like this video, you can click the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to participate to help them, you can come directly to this place or contact us to make